Have you ever wanted to become a content creator, but you don't know how to start? You see people posting, growing, and earning, and you're even wondering, how do I even start? If this is you, then this video is for you. Hi, my name is Anita, and today I'm going to be sharing a tip that will help you start your content creator journey in today's digital world. No confusion, no pressure, just clarity. Brings us to the first tip of the day, which is identifying your purpose and choosing the right niche. Before you post your first video or picture, you need to understand why you want to create content. Is it to educate, to inspire, to entertain, or to build income? Your purpose is to give your content direction. Next is your niche. Don't try to talk to everyone. Talk to someone specific. Instead of saying, I do content, be clear. Fitness for beginners, business tips for small brands, real life stories that inspire. And when your purpose and niche are clear, people know that they should follow you. You don't need to put or just go out there and just start talking. You need to be very, very focused. You need to know what exactly and how exactly you want your audience to watch your video. You can't just come and start saying different things randomly. If you're focused on sports, post something, do content based on that sports things. If you're focused on business, focus on that business and do things that regards to that business. So all you need to do is just to identify your purpose and choose the right niche for yourself. Don't go into different niches. So the second tip you're going to be diving into is that you need to create an authentic and value driven content. People don't connect with perfection, they connect with realness. You don't need the best camera or perfect editing. What matters is value. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? What lesson am I sharing? How would this help someone today? Share your experience and your lessons, even your mistake. Your story might be exactly what someone else needs to hear. So if you're talking about content creating, you need to think about authenticity and value driven content that will attract people, that will see that, okay, yeah, this person is being real. This brings us to the third tip of the day, which is staying consistent and adapt to change and grow over time. Consistent doesn't mean posting every day. It means posting regularly in a way you can maintain. Growth takes time. Some videos will do well, some won't do well, but okay. Pay attention, learn, adjust, and keep going. Trends change, platform change, but creators who stay consistent and adaptable always grow. So this brings us to the ending part, which is becoming a content creator is not about going viral overnight. You don't expect to go viral overnight. It's a step-to-step guide. This is about starting and staying real and going step by step, just like I said before. It's a step-to-step guide. So this brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more content like this. See you guys. Bye.